magical fun with much good entertainment.
Do you know that I had just gone to the market to buy some new clothes and the prices are really so high?
Yeah, in Uganda, just everything is too high.
No, anyway, let's leave that shit for the prices, because those people who are always increasing prices are just so stupid.
Yeah, everyone is very stupid. I have an example here. My son is very stupid.
Are you for
like
real?
Nothing. Should I call him for it?
Call him and
Petelo! Petelo!
I'm here, Mom.
Come. First, greet a visitor.
How are you, Aunt?
I'm fine. How are you, Pet?
I'm okay.
You know, Petelo, go to the shop and buy me something.
Okay, Mom.
You see what I've told you? He has gone. I've not told him what to buy without money.
But then I will show you that even mine is worse than yours. You're just joking. My son is worse. Let me show you. Musa! Musa!
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom.
First say hello to Auntie.
Hello, Aunt.
Hi, how are you, Musa?
I'm okay, Aunt.
Musa, I want you to go inside the house and see whether I am inside.
Okay, Mom.
And then come back and tell me.
Okay.
You are joking with my son.
Wait
for it.
To tell you.
Wait for it.
God. God have mercy.
Mommy,
Yes?
you're not there.
Are you sure you checked everywhere and I'm not
Drawer,
there?
even the drawer.
Are you sure you even checked under the bed and I'm not there?
Even in the saucepan. Mom, you're not there.
I'm not inside the house.
You're not inside.
Okay, you can go and play. Go and
Okay.
play.
Next time, Musa.
Okay, Aunt. Thank you. Thank you for visiting us.
At least come
No,
my
as you've
son.
seen my son. People are really...
For sure, my son is wise. I see my son is wise.
Have you admitted? We have children, my friend. Let's go for a selfie even.